Good morning guys, I'm Adarsh and in today's video I'll be sharing with you how you all can shock people with static electricity. How you all can shock your friends or anyone with static electricity, but it won't be too dangerous, make sure. So first of all, what you'll need to do is you'll just need to create small device, not create, even you can find it easily in your homes. It's easily available in your homes. So what's that device? You may use a charger. Here it's a charger. You may use an old charger which does not work. So here in this channel it does not destroy anything useful. So this is a charger which does not work. So what you all can easily do, or even you don't need this charger, you only need a capacitor which is easily available in this charger circuit. Okay, you can get it from any circuit, it does not matter. So what you only have to do is just bang this charger off and you'll have a circuit, and you may get these kinds of capacitor. As you can see, this is known as cylinder capacitor, this is the red kind of capacitor, and I'll be showing one more kind of capacitor. I'll be introducing to you with this is known as a ceramic capacitor, and every capacitor has different volt settings. Okay, so the amount of volts they can store in them are given here, right over here, printed right over here. And what the work of the capacitor is to store electricity in them. The capacitor stores electricity in them, okay, and release them at once. So we are going to use this to shock people. Okay, so first of all, what we need to shock people with static electricity is, first of all, you need to take any capacitor out, but here you need a bigger one. You may find it in a charger. Okay, so use a bigger capacitor. This you can see, or if you don't have, you may easily buy it from a electric store. It's known as a capacitor which stores electricity in it. Okay, here this is the capacitor, and what you need to do is first to charge it. Okay, so we'll keep it right over here. Okay, so now yes, we have a 9-volt battery. Let me adjust the camera first. Okay, so here we have a 9-volt battery. Make sure if your if your capacitor isn't charging with a 9-volt battery, then you must have to use a bigger source of current. You may use a bigger source of DC current, but never use an AC current. AC current never be used with a capacitor, because a capacitor is only made to be used with DC current, and this is a DC current using capacitor, because I found this with a charger circuit. Alright, so never use an AC current. Here you can always use DC current, 9-volt, or any current more than 9-volt. So we'll be just bringing it in contact with this battery for around 10 to 12 seconds. Okay, so meanwhile, you please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I bring these types of cool tricks. If you like this kind of tricks and experiments, don't forget to subscribe to us for more cool videos. Alright, so please do subscribe to us, and let's remove it. Okay, so here you can see two ends of the capacitor, metallic ends are there. So what we'll be doing is we'll be just taking off the battery from here. It's a device. What we easily need to do is just we'll be placing it around our fingers in this manner. Make sure that you don't touch these metallic ends. Nothing happens when you touch one. Okay, you may touch one end, nothing happens, but when you touch them both together, it may shock you. Okay, so you have to just hold it like this in your hand, or you may hide it. If you want, you may hide it like this so that no one can see. Alright, so now it's charged, and how you'll be shocking your friends, I'll be showing you right now. So here is a device. Okay, it's a plus. Okay, so I'll not be demonstrating with a friend, but I'll be showing you how you can shock. Okay, so just assume that this plus is your hand, and you have hidden a capacitor between your fingers. So these are your fingers. Just for assumption, assume these are your fingers, and you have hidden a capacitor, and you are making it in contact with your friend. So what happened? Let's test. Okay, so guys, here we have a piece of blade. Okay, so we'll be just taking this piece out, right, and we'll have to assume this blade as your friend's body, skin, or part of your body, so where it will be shocking. So assume this as your friend, a blade as your friend, and you have to shock your friend. So how you'll be shocking it? Just hide the capacitor between your fingers and touch your friend. So let me show you what happens when you'll be touching your friend, right? So let's see what will happen when you'll touch your friend while your capacitor will be between your fingers. Okay, so let's touch. Suppose this blade as your friend, and here you have hidden capacitor in your hand. Okay, so what happen when you will be touching your friend? Okay, So this will happen when you will touch your friend. Okay, so make sure you don't charge it more. Test it once more. Here's the capacitor. Alright, so this will happen when you'll touch your friend. This would literally happen when you'll hit this capacitor just right over here, so that nothing is visible, and you'll be touching your friend. So as you saw that what happened to the blade was electrocuted. So even your friend will be electrocuted, but it's not a it's not too strong shock that he may faint or anything like that will happen. Just feel a shock, electric shock, for about 0.5 seconds or maybe 1 second, but not more than that. So it's not too dangerous. You must try this experiment. It's an awesome experiment, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel right now if you enjoyed this kind of video. We'll soon meet in another video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.